What to cook, what to cook, what to cook. What to cook, what to cook, what to cook. What to cook. Haha! Bibimbap. And we cut in little cubes. Fingers first. Portobello mushrooms. We're gonna take off the skin. Soy sauce. Half a tablespoon of sesame oil. And we're gonna cook all the spinach. Just a tiny smudge. Apple vinegar. Ta-da!
Steady for you, like a mountain that can't be
Nice. Mm.